Hey, what's up everybody? Tristan from Lost Highway here. We just wrapped up another van build, so I'm gonna walk you through this thing real quick and show you guys through it all. All right, so starting in the back of the van, we have our 72-inch long tall fender box system. On the passenger side, we have a Northwest Conversions water tank plumbed to our water control panel with a 12-volt pump. Then on the driver's side, we actually ran the Craft AutoWorks unit with 400 amp hours of battery, because we will be running AC in this van. As we work our way through the top of the van, this customer needed an ample amount of storage overhead, so we did 52-inch overhead cabinets, 3 of them all the way down, mounted to aftermarket L-track. And then moving forward, the customer actually wanted an inside shower, so we went with the Tetravan shower pan. It's a flush mount deal, so you just twist, drop down, and then you can hang your shower curtain again to the aftermarket L-track in the van. Okay, and then coming up to the very front of the van, we actually have our sliding doorway galley with the isotherm refrigerator pull-out style. Comes out just like that with a freezer. And then up top we have the Bruvati sink with our standard foot pump plumbed to the back of the van. So water's just on demand right there. So on the front of the galley, we actually have 110 power from the inverter right there. And then we also have 12-volt USB plugs in case you're gonna run like a 12-volt oven, little stove, or you wanna charge your phone or laptop or something like that. This switch right here is to control the inside van lights, and then this right here is provided for any exterior lighting on the outside of the van. We also have another drawer on the front right above the refrigerator for more storage, and these are all the capabilities of the sliding doorway galley. It's actually one of our new product releases. It is our overhead cabin shelf. It provides all the necessary storage you need without all the unnecessary features. Alright, so we also did an S-bar heater for when it gets really cold outside. This customer lives in the desert climate, so he needed one of those, along with another set of 12-volt USB plugs. And then coming back to the roof of the van, we did the Max Air fan in the front with the Nomadic cooling AC unit running right there. And then before we head to the back of the van, I want to show you guys the floor trim step cubby kit. The floor trim actually provides a nice finish to your floor, and the step cubby provides more storage, stuff for like your shoes right before you're about to get in your van. All right, so now let's wrap the video up and head to the back of the van. On the back doors, we did our door panel kit with Molly. Then on the driver's side, you can add a drop-down table. This is our new model, and it actually provides a new Molly panel, so you're not sacrificing the Molly panel on the back, along with this new latch that makes it a lot more quiet. And that wraps up our most recent van build. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.